Welcome to this video. My name is Alba Muñoz Escamilla and I'm going to explain the sessions I create for Unit 7, Follow the Leader, about leadership in professional training. So my main goal as a teacher is create a friendly classroom environment where students feel able to improve and develop their knowledge of English. At the same time, they are learning new content. So we are going to start with the first session. We have here the schedule we will follow. We have 3 activities in the classroom and the last one at home. So basically, this session is designed to work with the basic content of the unit. At the end, the students will know the definition of leadership or leader and learn new vocabulary. We have here some of the keywords really useful for the next activities. For example, we have here creative, proactive, lazy, pioneer. These are some of the keywords we will see. Have here as well a game. We have time to play, to have fun. That is really important. And I'm going to explain with more detail activity 3. Padlet. The students should answer a few questions. The first one, what skills do you think you have to be a good leader? Second one, which ones should you develop? And the last one, would you like to take on a leadership role in your academic or professional future? So the first and second are more self-analysis. And the last one is more reflexive. Through this activity, students can work with their grading skills and think about the content. And now we are going to explain the second session. Schedule for this session, we have some videos to watch in class and a final task. So this session is created to go further with the content. It's much more reflexive. Students should think about the kinds of leadership, which one is better than others, which one fits with some public persons like celebrity, athletes, artists. How is leadership in education? Who is the leader in a classroom? Teachers, students, everyone. And how is leadership in other countries, in other cultures? And at the end, we have a final task where students should explain a leadership role model in their life through a video. And in this activity, they should work their oral skills. As well, some complementary resources with more vocabulary students can use for their final task. And if we click here, we have the teacher notes. Here I explained with more detail everything about these 2 sessions. I have the first is conceptual framework I followed to create these activities. So all these activities are designed to work the communication about opinions, questions, new vocabulary, content with the analysis of their self and others, culture about how is leadership in other countries, in other cultures, and cognition, evaluate themselves as a leaders, for example, or this role model in their lives. So this is everything about my sessions I create, and thank you for your time.